Hey guys, GAN just released its newest cube, the 11M Pro. I got the frosted black stickerless edition, and there's a lot of new technology inside. There's also a new box as well as a new name, and I'm kind of excited to see what's going on here. Its predecessor was the XS, and I'm sure that a lot has changed. And starting off with the box is really nice and shiny. It's different from the original box, which was really dull and plain. And the new name, I'm not really sure what it actually means, but the 356 usually meant that the cube was a 3x3, and it was 56 millimeters long, so not really sure what the 11M Pro means. So let's just get to it. Alright, so let's just get this thing open. It's coming out really smoothly, so. Alright, so the first thing that I noticed is the GAN 11M Pro VIP card, which looks really amazing. Like, it's nice white, it's shiny. You can just see the shine. It's really cool, so let's just, move on to the next thing. We have, next up is the Cube Station, beginner tutorial. Not really sure what this is, but, yeah. The next thing that I see is this box, and this thing, what appears to be, I think, an accessory kit, and I'm pretty sure this is the cube, so let's just get to it. The main contents of this box were the cube and then the accessory kit. We'll get to the accessory kit later, but let's just see the cube first. So the cube is in a really nice box. It's different, and because usually GAN boxes are very difficult to open, but I think this one you just press this button. So let's just see how it opens. So just, wow. That was one of the coolest openings I've seen. Let's just take this cube out. Wow. So this cube is really nice. It has a nice feel to it. So it turns extremely smoothly. So if we look on the side, this also has magnet settings over here. So first of all, I just wanted to talk about the colors. These are actually really nice because they're very contrasting. And let me just make a checkerboard here. So these colors are really nice. They contrast with each other, and I just think that overall, compared to other cubes, these are more like pleasant and vivid colors that I think I like more than many other cubes. So let's start turning it and find out how fast it really is. So this cube on the inside is black, and the magnet setting is, I think, strong right now. And coming out of the box is pretty tight, like some other cubes. But I think overall, once I start solving it, it's gonna be really fast. So let's try out some perms. So that was a T perm right there. So let's try a different perm. Wow, this turns really fast. Like, I'm really impressed by its performance, and this has just exceeded all my expectations. And the one thing that I know that you can't really feel this, but this cube is incredibly light. It's nothing that you have ever seen before. It's almost like you're holding a leaf in your hand. It's really, really light. So I think that's going to make a big difference on the performance of the cube. So let's try some M slices and see how well this M slices. Wow, this M slice is better than all my other cubes, and the magnets really make it stick. So this cube can easily do 45-degree corner cutting like that. So that one's pretty easy. It's even going a bit past 45 degrees if you look at it. But yeah, now let's try reverse corner cutting. That much pretty easy. That's still pretty good. Like, And I'm pretty sure that if I change the magnet settings to strong, it'll be even better. Yeah, this is the GAN 11M Pro. I'm really impressed with it. I really like it, and I'll continue to do some solves with it and maybe even try out some other things. So the next thing I really want to move on to is the box and how different it is. So this box is different from any other GAN box. So it opens really nicely, as you can see, and you can put the cube inside there. Fits pretty snug, and yeah, effortless. So to open this box, you just have to press the back and the front buttons like this. So yeah. So first of all, I'm really impressed with the GAN box because it's really effortless and not like those other boxes where you kind of have to stick your fingernails in and try to remove it. But this box is a huge improvement, and I really appreciate that. So let's move on to the accessory kit. So this is the accessory kit, and yeah, so the first thing that I see is this GAN blue bag, which I find quite unnecessary because you already have this amazing cube box, which I really think is great. So not really that necessary, but let's move on to the other stuff. So next up we have this, which is, I believe this is the magnets. So these are actually a lot of magnets. So to open this, you actually have to press on this button right here. So just press on that button and just open. Wow. Next up is the GAN 11 manual of how to use it. So I'm pretty sure there's a lot of different things to it. It's really cool. So next up in this box is a screwdriver right here. And if we look at our cube, it's if we look at the corner pieces, like over here, we can adjust the corner pieces with this cube. Like, so if we can just push it to this side, then we can push it to that side. And it's really cool. And there's this middle setting that's a bit difficult to get to, but you can still do it. So right here, that's the middle setting, you can see. And yeah, so this is what the screwdriver is for. Next up in the box is the GAN manual, which is the last thing in the box. And this is actually really, the original GAN manual tells you how to lube your cube, all the F12, OLL, PLL algorithms. So I won't be going over that in this video, but yeah, it's really nice of them to send this too. Alright, so I wanted to take a more in-depth look on this accessory kit, so let's just see what's inside it. So the first thing that we see are these magnets. So these are 8 different magnets. Some of them are over here, the 4 are over here, and 4 are over here. Here you might be wondering what these blue things are, but these are actually different GS settings, which you can customize to improve and reduce the spring settings of your cube, therefore also increasing its speed and decreasing its speed. So yeah. Now we can actually take one of these physically magnets out, and we can put them into our cube, but I'll make a tutorial on how to do that and how to use this cube later, and so that you can unlock your maximum potential. So make that later, but this is a really nice thing. So I'm assuming that there are 8 different levels of magnet strength. Each of these magnets can be put into the cube, so I think they're really cool. Anyways, back to the cube. So overall, my review on the GAN 11M Pro is, I think it's really great because everything from color comparison to the magnet strength to the GS and everything is just tied together very nicely. And so I think that this is the ultimate speed cube. So, and it's the best cube on the market. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe and like this video.